I've often wondered if cancer can cause cravings, because it sure seemed that way to me. One time, before my diagnosis, when my tumor was really big, I literally pulled over to a gas station and bought this giant Coca-Cola, which was very unlike me. In retrospect, it seems like my tumor was telling me to go drink this. I don't know if cancer can actually cause cravings, but through my experience and the experience of my clients, it seems like oftentimes when we're feeling poorly, if we're going through treatment, that we will have more cravings. Some of them can be emotional, but some of them seem to me like the cancer cells are creating this desire for the food that they favor the most. So I want to say, haha, cancer, we're going to trick you. We're going to use Alison's special recipes that have things like the Lakanto monk fruit sweetener in there that are going to seem like you're eating sugar, but you're not.